In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut PC using the fastest method available. If you've ever edited one clip perfectly and then wished you could copy those same color settings, audio tweaks, or adjustment changes across your entire project without doing it manually over and over, this tutorial is for you. This is a huge time saver, especially when you want a consistent look and feel throughout your video. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is open your CapCut project and make sure your clips are already placed on the timeline. This method works best when you want to apply the same adjustment settings across multiple clips quickly. So once your project is open, click on any clip in your timeline. It doesn't matter which one you start with, as long as it's the clip you want to use as the base for your adjustments. After selecting the clip, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and find the adjustment panel. This is where CapCut keeps your visual and audio tuning options, depending on what you're editing. Inside this panel, you'll see settings like basic color controls, HSL, curves, and other adjustment tools that let you fine-tune the look of your footage. Go ahead and dial in the settings you want first. You can increase brightness, adjust contrast, tweak saturation, refine highlights and shadows, or make more advanced changes with curves if needed. If you're working on a specific style, take your time here and get the look exactly how you want it before applying it to the rest of your clips. Once your adjustments are set, don't stop there. The key step is to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that right-hand adjustment panel. This is where CapCut places the Apply to All button. It may be easy to miss if you're not scrolling down far enough, so make sure you go all the way to the bottom of the panel. When you find it, click Apply to All. As soon as you do that, CapCut will take the adjustment settings you just made and apply them across all clips in your timeline. That means you don't have to repeat the same edits clip by clip. This is especially useful for projects with multiple shots, interviews, vlogs, tutorials, or any video where you want a consistent color grade or adjustment style from start to finish. Now keep in mind that this method is best for basic color and audio style adjustments, and it's the fastest option when you want the same look applied everywhere. If your timeline has a lot of clips and you want to save a ton of time, this is the easiest way to do it. Just select a clip, adjust the settings, scroll down, and hit Apply to All. That's really all there is to it. If you're following along, take a second right now to try it on your own project. Once you see how fast it works, you'll probably start using this method in almost every edit. It's one of those small CapCut features that can make a huge difference in your workflow, and that's how you apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.